Hey guys, welcome back to Team Coding Plaza. In previous video, we have seen that how to use the MK directory, right? And I have told you that I will cover that listed directories how to create in the next video. Yeah, this is what that video. Okay, so please be watch entire video. Okay, so here the concept is that creating nested directory, right? So how to create a directory instead of creating MK directory exporting inside directories every time. So you can create using the single command that mkdir -p. Okay, this is the basic command to create the multiple directories using the divided by slash. Okay, so if you need to create nested folder structure, use the -p flag. That's it. Mkdir normally folder and you will give no. In previous video we have covered that. See here, we have covered how mkdir new folder no. Same like that only, nothing but -p and the folder structure you have to give. Okay. So create a folder named parent and inside it create another folder named child. Okay. This we can able to see in the terminal. Let's go to terminal. Yeah. In previous video we have seen that how to create like videos folder we have created inside audio folder we have created. No. See right. So we'll come back one step. Sorry, caps we should not use. It's a type syntax. Yeah. Where I'm in CodingPlaza, right? So inside CodingPlaza, what is there? Videos folder is there. So I want to create a project inside this. I'm going to create a React project. No. So how I want a project structure means normally what will be create React, SRC files like that will be create. No. Like that only I'm going to create a nested. Okay. So mkdir -p then React project slash src/files. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this command? Means it will create a directory, inner directories, right? React inside src will come, src inside files will come. Let's see that. Yeah, I think it got created. Let's see list the. So I'm going to inside React. Yeah, it's created now. Inside src. Yeah, it's there now. Inside files. See, very simple, right? So with single command, I have created multiple folder structure with multiple lines, right? So I think this is a very basic command to use to create the inner directories. Okay, I think you guys have been understand, and if you are not understanding, make that the previous video you can able to watch and you can able to understand how it will work. Okay, yeah. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.